DA vowed to make sure that MK Party does not govern KZN. And MK Party said, oh, all right, we'll give you your own rope to kill you, to hang yourself. Guys, Zishobile. People are making sure that the MK Party doesn't govern KZN. Guess what? People are resigning from positions, forcing the ANC to go into a by-election. And I can tell you that when the ANC goes into, when those wards are going into by-election, and MK Party will make a clean sweep there. So let me tell you something. Speculation mount over eThekwini councillors quitting to force by-election to favor MK Party. More than 30 councillors in eThekwini are expected to quit as the aftershock of the ANC's elections defeat begin to be felt. Now, here's the interesting part. Maybe you don't understand. You'll remember that ANC got 40.18% nationally, and they are allowed to lead the coalition talks and everything. But when it comes to KZN, the dictators went there and say, MK Party must not lead the talks. The bullies in KZN. Unfortunately, they did not expect this, that there were going to be ANC people resigning from positions, which now forces people to go into by-elections. And I can tell you this, I've seen some things that will make you wonder and say, if the ANC goes into by-elections right now in KZN, what are the chances of them winning those elections? I think there are very few. But again, that is what I'm about to do. MK Party has got a secret plan. Destroy the ANC and the DA. Yo, Tickle. In this YouTube channel, we also have our secret plan. But before I tell you about our secret plan, there's a few things that I don't understand. You know, if I borrow you your wife, you won't give me. And if I borrow you your children, you won't give me. If I borrow from you your car, you won't give me. If I borrow from you your money, you won't give me. If I borrow your house, you won't give me. But if I asked you to do this, if you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. You should gladly do it because, come on, it's free of charge. There was an article that was released by EIOL. Uzora Teke released this article and said the following. They are waiting to see which party governs KwaZulu-Natal, but negotiations have already started. Councillors want to save their jobs. That is more important issue for them. So many are speaking to Umkhonto we Sizwe Party because they won in this province. By quitting, they will force by-election and allow Umkhonto we Sizwe to come in, a senior eThekwini source told EIOL. I will appreciate that, and I will tell you why. Because we are tired of these bullies called EDA. They need to be taught their lesson. They need to be taught that here you are dealing with a chess master. If you beat him on one, don't think that plan one fails and everything collapses. We are going to plan B. And if you beat us at plan B, we are going to plan C. If you beat us at plan C, we are going to plan D. You can't win all of them. Here you are dealing with a chess master and you are in it. look, this man is gonna take you for a ride. I mean, not for a ride, but you're gonna you will this journey, in this journey, at the end of this journey, you will know that, you know what, I was thoroughly dealt with. That is Jacob Zuma for you. And I'm telling you, that's why I'm saying this year's elections are gonna be interesting. You are not fighting here a man. You are not fighting with a man here who will just easily give up and say, "Take it, yeah, it's fine." We are fighting with a person that always plan ahead. But it's not only eThekwini councillors across the province are expected to quit, change political alliance as the tsunami of the political dynamics makes up to the province. By Friday, KZN will know which party will govern. Now, if the EFF has already played its cards, preferring the ANCDA and the NFP coalition in KZN, but there's still MK Party, which commands over 45% of support in the province, where its leader Jacob Zuma is still widely powerful influence, right? It says it cannot ignore MK Party in KZN. They cannot ignore MK Party in KZN. It won't be allowed. There will be war if they do. Already, many are very upset that the IFP is going with the DA so that it saw itself triggering councillors at the source. I like this. People are saying, hey, Tinanje, we are aggrieved with that decision, but again, some people will have to be taught a lesson. They say, another eThekwini source agreed, saying, the discontent is brewing. Many in the ANC won't forgive the collision with the DA. Some even don't want the IFP coalition, leaving out the MK party as not going to go down well. Hey, there are other people who are saying, so you left the MK party, you went for the DA and the IFP and possibly NFP into that. Ha! Utaskuba leslaslabang. Utaskuba leslaslabang. Hey. As the ANC begins to smoke out those in support of local coalition with MK and other parties, it recalled eThekwini Mayor Mxolisi Kaunda overnight. This was welcomed by political parties and many within the municipality. Another senior ANC insider expressed shock at the development in the province. What is happening right now? Nobody expected. I have been in the ANC. I have been an ANC leader all of my life. I've never expected them to go with IFP and the DA. How a shame the way they are treating the old man Zuma. It's not fair. Now, I like the fact that people in KZN they are already sharing the sentiment that the way you are dealing with Zuma is not fair. And for that, we will deal with you. Don't forget that. We will humbly deal with you. Aibo, did I say that? Yes, I said it. I said it. People of KZN are saying, hey, Nina. Nina nsazi Nina. Tina, we're able of making our own decision. Irrespective or regardless of how many of those provinces are making decision. If all the provinces are deciding to make a left decision, Tina, in KZN, we're able to take a right decision. You know what I'm saying? If they take a right decision, Tina, we're able to take left. We are not afraid to stand alone in KZN. That is what I'm hearing. People of KZN are saying, "Hi, if you think, Tina, we depend on you on how to make a decision, you think twice. Tina, we're not afraid of taking our own decision and stand alone." So that is what we're already hearing here. And it's going to be interesting because that is going to teach the nation how to make a decision. Do not make a decision on the basis of what they are telling you. Like right now, we are being forced to accept the DA and the ANC coalition. The media is doing that, telling us that business. Who is this business? You know, when you say an investor wants that, who is that investor? We can't be told by 5-10 people who are able to influence newspapers on what to write. Now they are saying the people, the business. Who is this business? That's a question that we have to ask. 80% of Black South Africans are saying no to the DA and the ANC coalition. We can't then be told, be forced into that and say, oh, the business said that. Who's that business, guy? And that business is not to serve people of South Africa. If they are to serve people of South Africa, then let them adhere to the desires of people of South Africa. It can't be that we've got this, we are being shoved, this thing. Hi, business wants the DA and the ANC coalition. Hey, so, business serves who? Isn't it business that is supposed to serve the South Africans, everybody? And isn't it this a country of democracy where the local majority rules? Why are people willing to overlook and override people's decisions and people's decisions when people says, please take right, and other people are saying, no, our bosses says we should take left, even when there is a clear message that says, where people are saying, we want you to take right, but people are saying, no, we will rather beat you for saying we should take right, we will take left. Right now, like I'm telling you, right now we're being told, business, business, business. Hey, the other time we had to ask a very serious question, man, to say, we are being told investor wants this. Who is this investor to begin with? Where are they from? Because you can't have people making ridiculous decisions in the name of investor wants this. Who's this investor? Are they not here to serve the people? Are they not here to advance the interests of the majority? Is this country not governed by democracy, where democracy dictates, where the majority rules? Why then few individuals? In fact, this is the question that Jacob Zuma was asked when he said, if the majority rules, then why don't you make laws that reflects the majority? For instance, if majority says at 8 o'clock, we don't want people to function in this country, majority have spoken. Why are we making rules in favor of the few? And who governs? Like, there are laws in this country that were passed that I personally I do not agree with them, right? They need to be changed. But you will realize that these laws represent the minority, not the majority, right? And then there are laws in this country that sometimes they will be decided by majority, and I don't like them. Some of them, I personally don't like them. But the majority have said it. There's nothing you can do about it. So there's power when the majority rules, but where does that power ends? That's the question of the day, because we are being told majority this, majority that, majority this, majority that. But when the majority really rules, the majority is not listened to. Like, let's look at it in KZN. Majority of people in KZN say MK party is the preferred political party. Where do you get the audacity to say we don't want we don't want the majority to be listened to? You know, for the fact that the DA will boldly issue a statement of that, and say directly that we do not want the voice of the majority to be heard in KZN. That shows you the nature of a DA. When you accept DA into the national government, you are accepting a strictly racist and autocratic party. A party that doesn't care about the people, the interest of the people, because if it cares about the interest of the people, they will back off in KZN, because in KZN shows them flame, and it shows them that we don't trust you. But there they are in KZN saying Zuma cannot govern KZN. We are here to make sure that Zuma doesn't govern KZN. Remember, now they are overriding the will of the people so that Bona and their personal agenda can be fulfilled. And that is, we want to make sure that we punish we isolate MK Party, we isolate EFF, and we punish these two people. Mind you, people have said we want these two political parties to work together. These people are willing. So if in this scenario, the DA is willing to override the majority so that they can continue with their minority, the decision of the minority, what more are they going to do? So we can see the DA for what it is before it even goes into coalition. I'm telling you, by the time they govern this country and they start doing things, you will remember this video that we told you that DA is a red flag, big time. For the fact that they are able to have such an audacity to say KZN cannot be governed by MK Party. Said who? Because people of KZN have voted in favor of MK Party. Why are you saying when they cannot be governed by MK Party? Who are you? Is this not a democracy where the majority rules? If it's about democracy, majority says they dislike you. So get out of KZN, forget about KZN, focus on Western Cape. That's where you are strong. Not this thing of overriding people's will.